All right, it was a star-studded affair last night in Hollywood for the People's Choice Awards, and these are always fun because they're voted online by fans. They had votes from 58 categories, 700 million votes cast. Sandra Bullock was the big winner, walking away with 4 trophies, including Favorite Movie Actress, Dramatic Movie Actress, Comedy Movie Actress, and Favorite Movie Duo alongside Gravity co-star George Clooney. And Ellen made a little joke here going up to pretend to take the award for Justin Timberlake. Quite a humorous moment. He got 3 awards, including Album of the Year, Favorite Male Artist, and Favorite R&B Artist. He had a huge year with that 2-part release of the 2020 Experience. Robert Downey Jr. honored for Favorite Action Movie Star, and Iron Man 3 also got Favorite Movie and Action Movie. That was the highest grossing film of 2013. And the cast of The Big Bang Theory honored for a 3rd time in a row for Best TV Comedy. And on the drama side of the TV realm, it was The Good Wife taking away that honor. Now, Frozen continues to dominate the box office, but it's also dominating the music charts. The soundtrack is #1 on the Billboard charts, ending Beyoncé's 3-week reign. First soundtrack to hit #1 since Les Mis 1 year ago. And speaking of great music, a Tupac-inspired Broadway musical is ready to hit New York in June. Get ready for it. It's called Holler If You Hear Me, and it will open in the Palace Theater, as I say, in the summer. Directed by Kenny Leon, set to Shakur's music, and it's an original story. Tupac's mom is among one of the producers. Guys, if we ever need a reason to show Tupac, that was a great one.